Hello kids, let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.